Qingdao High-Class Service Import and Export Company Limited is professional woodworking machines supplier in Qingdao, China. Qingdao Saifan Package Machinery Company Limited is the manufacturer. Hicas is the exclusive exporter. We mainly export to Europe, North America, South America, Southeast Asia, the Middle East. We have 7 experienced sales managers, 24 hours online service, and professional Spanish business manager. Saifan produce automatic wood saw machines, automatic wooden pallet making machines, automatic plywood box making machines, automatic wooden pallet collar making machines. Our products have passed the United States UL certification, European CE certification, and so on. Saifan have our own R&D team, machining center, assembly and testing center, sales team, and after-sales service team. Total about 3,000 square meters area and 110 workers. In order to grow up together with our customers, making long life and reliable machines is our pursuit. Our machines are all heavy-duty with strong basement, high-precision machining and assembly. We use international famous brand electric and pneumatic parts. Together with our advanced technology, we insist on developing new and better automatic machines for wood package market. Hicas and Saifan work together to be a trustful brand in the market in domestic and abroad. In the future, with the support of strong research and development technology and marketing strength, we will output steady stream of high-quality services to Chinese woodworking machinery market, helping every customer to create value and win wealth.